Okay, I want to show you this 9x9 canopy, pop-up canopy, and show you how fast one person can put it up by themselves. This is from a company called Crown Shades, and they actually sent this to me in exchange for showing it to you up close and for telling you about it. Keep in mind that this is just one person setting it up, and it's super easy even for just one person. You're just going to pull the legs out like this, kind of walk them out a little bit, and I'm on cement, which makes it really easy. Just crawl underneath there and push up on that one button technology. So incredibly easy. And then you're just going to pull up on the legs. I'll show you up close what that looks like in just a minute. Then just walk around and pull the canopy down on each of the corners there. Now I stopped it there because I didn't want it up in the air real high. I can actually keep pulling this up until this is 6 feet from the bottom. But I don't want it that high today. I also want to show you something else that's really cool. Now my driveway is on a slope. Can you see that there? But yet I have it level. And it was so easy because these here, the legs, you can stop it anywhere on from the bottom to the top there as far as how high you want any of the legs. So if it was on a hill that was really funky, you could have one leg really short, the other three really tall. So this is really, really cool to have that. Let me show you real quick. This is how they adjust. When you want to make it higher, you put your foot there and you pull up. When you want to make it lower, you just pull down like that. Just slides really, really easy. That right there, this swivels. Let me see. See, you can, if you're on uneven ground, that makes that super easy to help stabilize it. That hole right there comes with anchors that you can put it in. You also have twine to tie it down with ropes if you're in a lot of windy situations. There's Velcro to hold the corners in. And these are little clips that slide on. There's 2 of them on each side. There's also Velcro right here. There's a vented little tent here for ventilation when you're under here. At the full height from the ground up to the base of this, at its tallest is 8 feet. At its tallest, it's from the ground to the bottom of the canopy is 6 feet. You can make it anywhere you want from 4 feet up to 6 feet. 4 feet because that's the height of the poles there. Now, it's super easy to take it apart. This is the one button technology I told you about. You just push up on it and it clicks it and it holds it tight. Look, I mean, that's tight. And then when it's time to put it away, you just push in on that and it comes down. You want to make sure that all of these are all the way down. And then you just push the legs together. Then it's time to put it in its case. You go ahead and just pull it over and kind of square it up there on the end and tuck in the canopy itself there. And then you're going to flip it over and you're going to pull the other end up over the 4 legs there, the bases of them, and then just zip it up and tuck that in. And it works really easy. And once it's zipped up, it's ready to go.